Hi, I am Shivani Agrawal and you are watching my YouTube Expression Students Club. In this video, we have presented the solution of 75 to 100 questions from 2018 question paper in English version. In ancient India, atomic theory was based on intuition and logic. Indian atomic theory was based on intuition and logic. In which museum is the most impressive figure of Sultanganj Buddha of ancient India? British Museum. Ras Ratnakar was written by Nagarjun. In ancient India, the use of bronze images in worship have been especially prevalent among Aryans. In which period Indian chemistry was famous? Buddha period. In Buddha period, Indian chemistry was famous. Sugarcane is the basic plant of Africa. Very important question. Which mathematical science was based on mensuration and geometry in ancient period? To Indian mathematics. In Indian mathematics, geometry and mensuration in ancient period. In the science of acoustics, which country did real research experiments? So our India made real research experiments in the science of acoustics. To which subject is Amarkosh related? Amarkosh is related to botany. Who was the father of Ras Vidya? Father of Ras Vidya was Nagarjuna. Writer of Charak Samhita was Charak. According to Sushrut, the total number of bones in human body are 300. Who was the Ayurvedic physician during the period of Kanishka? Very important question. Charak. Parts of yoga are 8. According to Ayurveda, the bodily functions are maintained by the number of winds are 5. These 5 winds are Pran, Apan, Udan, Saman and Vyan. Next question. Yoga Rahasya. Yoga Rahasya was written by Nath Muni. Very important question. Yoga Rahasya was written by Nath Muni. How many types of defaults on body are accepted in Ayurveda? 3 types of defaults are accepted in Ayurveda. These are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. The founder of yoga system is known as Patanjali. Very important question. The best part amongst body is option are soul, buddhi, indriyas yani senses and prakriti. Buddhi means knowledge, indriyas means senses, prakriti means nature. So among all these 4 given options, the most suitable answer is soul. Synonyms of Ayurveda are Lakshan. Next question. The number of planets in solar system are 8. In Hindi video we have made a very wrong explanation. Kindly apologize us. And the number of planets in solar system are 8 or 8. मतलब सोलर सिस्टम जो हमारा सौर मंडल है उसमें ग्रह कितने हैं? तो 8 हैं. द नियरेस्ट प्लानट ऑफ द सन इज मरकरी. द नक्षत्र अकॉर्डिंग टू एस्ट्रोनॉमी आर 27. व्हाट इज मेष राशि इन इंग्लिश? एरीज. How many parts of every nakshatra according to astronomy? There are 4 parts of every nakshatra. Every part is known as charan. So these are the questions from 75 to 100. From 1 to 75th questions are already discussed in previous 3 videos. Kindly share the video with the other students of your community. Have a very happy time. Subscribe my channel. All the best. Take care. This question paper of 2018 I found the best. Many questions are very important from the viewpoint of the forthcoming examination. All the best. Please listen to the video and please share the video with the other students of your community to score good marks. All the best.